extra money for confidentiality, that information did not come from me. I did not have that information.
No, I asked you, do you know who briefed him on the issue from your staff?
Well, as far as discussing the topic with him, I participated.
And was it your understanding there was not hush money paid by the state? Is that what was represented to Mr. Carroll?
To the best of my knowledge, that's a correct statement.
And so you were deceived by your staff as well?
I was not aware that there was specific money allocated for confidentiality. My role in this was not one of participating in mediation nor decision maker in the settlement agreements. I received copies of the settlement agreements for document retention purposes only, but I was never asked to review for content. I also had an involvement with ensuring that the former employees were paid based upon those agreements.
But so that I'm clear, what I heard you say is that you sat in a meeting where confidentiality settlements were discussed, and it was your understanding that there was not money paid for confidentiality. Is that correct?
Would you restate the question?
Yes. It's my understanding, based on what your testimony is today, that you sat in meetings where staff briefed the director and briefed him as to what was or was not paid for in these confidentiality settlements, and it was specifically discussed that there was not money paid for silence, hush money. Correct. And who else were in those meetings with you? Was there any legal representative at that time?
I believe legal counsel, Janet Phipps, was in the meeting.
Okay.
I don't recall if Doug was there or not, but I was there.
So I guess if I'm to take this to the next step, we had the very top of the department, from the director on down, including the interim director today, and nobody in the meeting believed that there was hush money paid for confidential agreements for silence.
To the best of my knowledge, that's correct.
And so if we take this to the next step, then we're to believe that Ryan Lamb was acting unilaterally as the attorney for the department, and certainly in the case of Carol Frank, the individual that offered money for her silence.
The mediation